If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this trade that we got going for the shadow trading session for today. So as you can see, we are here on a USD JPY position. I am in on 2 contracts with our total profit potential being about $90 after fees at about $85 between the 2 contracts here. So max potential profit of $45.25 per contract. So we just entered a few minutes ago. So we're still pretty early on this trade. I will bring you back later when we are in a position to take profits early or when we are holding into expiration for max potential profits. So let me bring you over here to the chart to show you exactly what led me to getting into this position here. As you can see, the strike that we entered at is right at a pivotal zone for support and resistance. So right now this is a temporary resistance zone, and as you can see, when we minimize the chart here a little bit, you can see we had a big drop through this zone, long wick activity around this zone, and big moves in and out of the zone in the past as well. So what that leads you to see here is the overall momentum currently is a downward move on the grander time frames here, and then on the smaller time frames you can see that we are making a push back into this zone. But ultimately this will be what I like to call a false breakout. There may be a break above the zone temporarily, and that may happen for 20 minutes or so at max, and then we will see a decrease back to the downside remaining below this zone. A huge indicator of this, as you can see, is we actually have volume returning to the area, but look at how low the bullish volume is here as compared to the past when it was leaving this zone, and even some test of this zone and around this zone in the recent past behavior here. So I just wanted to show you guys that. Let me show you on the smaller time frames. You can see it even more. You can see the volume more spread out here, so it's easier to see what I mean about the volume. Huge bullish volume here on the move that led through this zone, and every time it tested before, the volume would return, but it was never enough to pass. As you can see here, we have some bullish volume returning once again, but already here we're starting to see the bearish volume step in, and we should see a pretty decent move to the downside from here. So we will be looking to take our profits here at around $25 to $15 per contract, meaning that once our contract on the buy side reaches around $25 to $15, preferably before the 7:30 mark, we will go ahead and take profit on that. So that'll be about half of our total profit potential reached within a 30-minute span, just by taking this position based off the volume, the overall trend, and support and resistance. So just want to bring you guys in to show you the lead up for this position here and the overall technical analysis that I did that led me to find this high probability, high profitable trading scenario here. So I'll bring you guys back whenever we're taking profits, and I'll see you there. Peace. All right, everyone, just bringing you back here. We are approaching, we were approaching our target profit area there briefly. So I just want to have you here on the sidelines so that we can catch this profit in real time. And I can show you guys exactly what you should do if you want your profits to trigger automatically. So what I'll go ahead and do here is set our take profit limit order at 25, meaning when the buy price reaches $25 or less, we will automatically be taken out of the position with our desired profit being reached. So I will keep you guys here, and then we will see our profit get triggered. So there I placed the order. So now as soon as we hit $25 or better, we will be taken out of the position with our profits. And I've got my message for the shadow trading group on standby, so that as soon as we are hitting our target price, they will know as well that I have exited with profits. Here we are, about $5 to $6 away now. So we are certainly closing in on our profit goal. $29, $28, $27 there, touching the 27 area. Should be within a few moments now. And as you can see, guys, this whole trade is just within 15 minutes we've been in this position. We're already well at $35 profit. This will bring us to about $40 profit, which, as stated before, is about half of our total profit potential, and we reached it in less than half of the time of the contract to expiration. So the actual contract expiration value, in this case, it is 2 hours. So we're reaching the total profit potential of this strike well within a quarter of that time. And we do this each day in the shadow trading program. We trade the final hour of the 2 hour contracts. Oh, $26. There we go. Just $1. There we go. Taken out. Boom. So I just let the group know just like that. Instantaneous. Out at 25. Nice. Boom. So it's literally that simple, guys. So now, as you can see, the contract is still dropping. So a very splendid trade indeed. I'll just show you again here on the chart. See this big drop, and that's what I told you. We were seeing a false breakout potential there, pushing, trying to break above that temporary resistance, but as you can see, pushed way down. The bearish volume has stepped back in. The bullish volume that was here present earlier has been squandered, and we are now seeing the benefits of our patience. And this only took about 5 minutes of technical analysis, which you can learn all about in the Informed Traders educational package down below. I believe that's the top link. And then if you want to get in on this trade, as I stated, this is a live trade from our shadow trading program in our session that we are doing right now. Then you can check out the second link below, where you can trade with me 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And just like I said, guys, this was only a 15-minute trade. As you can see, it dropped even further now, but we set our target profit goal, we stuck to it, and we were able to reap the reward of having a plan and knowing exactly what we're looking at for technical analysis to profit off this opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you around in the future. Be sure to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe out there. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.